So as we promised you, we're gonna be giving away this Haworth Fern Halo chair. Thanks to everyone who watched our review and commented and subscribed to our channel. As you'll see in our video, we did a random comment picker, and that random comment picker we inserted all the names of the people that commented, and it randomly picked. Congratulations, we will be in touch with you about your brand new Haworth Fern Halo chair. We will get in touch and discuss how to get this chair to you. And for anyone else, we're going to be doing some future giveaways on a lot of other products, some that we'll be doing reviews on, and some of the stuff that we actually design and manufacture here at OfficeLogix. So please stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, comment if you have any products that you would like us to review other than this one. And thanks a lot for all the support.